Hello, friend. Myself, Raju Nandkar. I am from Pune chapter student. My roll number is 25,601 and my internship project on the study of training need analysis of the employees working in the food and civil supply department of Jalna district. This project I have completed with the help of Yashada. It is the one of the Apex Institute from state of Maharashtra. Following are the objective of my study of or my project. The first objective is to prioritize the training as per the need and requirement of employees. While going for the training need analysis, what are the needs and requirement of the employees we need to ascertain. The second objective is to align job profile and training goals of employees. What are the job chart? What are the job profiles? We need to align with our training goal while doing the training need analysis. The third objective is to distinguish the current versus desired practices of the employees. We need to ascertain, we need to know what are the current practices that has been followed by employees. The fourth objective is to performance gap analysis. Why we do performance gap analysis? To understand the learner current skills and knowledge. While going for training need analysis, we need to ascertain what are the current learner skills and knowledge for the training need analysis. And the fifth and last objective is to ascertain employee performance problem and it's correlated with the DNA, because we need to ascertain what are the problems that employee have while performing, and with these five objective we will go for the study. Now friend, we will see the methodology of study that we have undertaken. The project will be conducted in food and civil department of the Jalna district with the help and coordination of Yashada. Yashada is one of the famous institute located at Pune, and it is working as a state apex institute in Maharashtra administration. In methodology, we were adopted the descriptive type of the study for the designing. We were carry out the survey with the help of Google questionnaire, as we call it Google form, having close-ended questions, and we have obtained the quantitative type of data by using some scales. We have selected all the employees of supply department of the Jalna. Therefore, there was no need to sample collection or sample population. The data analysis should be carried out with the help of simple computer program, data sorting method, and mostly percentage method with the help of Excel sheet. With this slide, we will understand how the data were analyzed in the project. With the help of Google questionnaire, we have set out the 34 questions, out of which the 33 questions having the 3 mark each, and for last question there was 4 marks. Ultimately, the total scale is come up to 100, and on that basis, with the use of such a uh, descriptive Google Forms, we have noted the responses from the employees, those are working in supply department. The responses we have analyzed, and it is as like below. Very urgently training required employees are only 3. The percentage is almost come up to 6%. Those employee required urgent training are 6. The percentage is 12. Timely training required employees are 23. The percentage is near about 47. Training will be need based, 17 employees, and the percentage is 34%. As we discussed earlier, we have like an individual training need analysis in this study. Now we will move for key finding of this project. Employee, those are required urgent training are 12%. Employees, those are required timely trainings are 47%. It has been also revealed that 62% of the employee got the promotion. However, only 30% of employees undergo through training in promotions. It has been also observed that 48 employees not having enough knowledge of their duties and responsibility. It has also been observed that 52% of employees are not able to maintain work life and office balance. It has been also observed that 62% of employees are neglect their health due to the workload and work pressure. It has been also observed that 60% of employees are having the issues and problem while working on the computers. It has also been observed that 46% of employees are not willingly suggested their names for the training. It has also observed that 44% of employees are having difficulty in communication with other people in their offices. It also observed that 52% of employees are having stress or their workplace. It has been also observed that 44% of the employees are responded about the conflict at workplace. These are the some key findings that we have observed in training need analysis study. Now we will move toward the last part of our presentation, that is recommendation and suggestions. On the basis of study, following are the some recommendation or suggestion should be incorporated while the designing the training. As per the individual TNA assessment, 12% of employees need urgent intervention about the training. There should be a session on rules and regulation of department with outline of policies, decisions and programs. There should be a session on time and priority management in session plan for the effective and efficient working of the employees. There should be a session on conflict management and work-life balance session in session plan. It will be very effective in designing training session plan for new projects. Thank you very much for patience hearing.